with Never Grow Up Vacations, and now it's time to comply with Amy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. I am a professional traveler and travel agent, and I live in Florida in Orlando. So I'm always up to something, whether it be locally or traveling the world. You never know where you might find me or my channel. So in this video today, I am going to be touring you around the Disneyland Hotel. I'm so excited to be headed back out to California to visit Disneyland. This is only my third Disneyland trip. I actually have a couple of videos from my last trip within this channel. So if you want to see some of my past videos, feel free to look those up. But it's my first time going during the holidays. So I'm so excited to see the holiday decorations. And it's my first time staying on site at the Disneyland property. For those of you who don't know, there are 3 on-site hotels at Disneyland. It's a little bit different than Disney World. You have Grand Californian, you have the Disneyland Hotel, and you have Paradise Pier. So just keep those in mind that it's not as expansive as Walt Disney World. You only have 2 parks to choose from, which are Disneyland Park and Disney's California Adventure. And then you have Downtown Disney, what goes in between the 2. So let me show you around the Disneyland Hotel. All right, and we are in Disneyland, and we are at the Disneyland Hotel. As I mentioned, it's my first time staying here. For reference of this room tour, we are staying in the Adventure Tower in room number 2760, which is located on the 9th floor. This room is classified as a premium pool view room with 2 queens and a sleeper sofa. So in theory, you can probably fit about 5 people in this room. So let me turn you all around and show you this room. All right, and here is our room tour of room 2760. This is the front door. As you walk in, you have already magical carpeting that does have Mickey's. The carpeting does look new. I do believe they just replaced this not long ago. Right as you come in, you do have a closet, which does have your luggage stand, your ironing board, extra bedding, and a safe around the corner. We have a very large bathroom with 2 double sinks, which are wonderful. I love these little Mickey hands. They're so cute. Plenty of storage down below. You do have, as of today, you do have all the H2O body products, but remember, they are discontinuing those, so we do not know what's going to be coming next. So enjoy that while you can. Really nice size shower, a couple of different hidden Mickeys in the tiling, which is really nice. Here you do have your restroom with a separate door, which is nice, especially if a bunch of people are getting ready. Nice artwork of the Jungle Cruise, since we are in the Adventure Tower. And here is a look at the full room. It's big. It's a very large room. I was not expecting it to be this big. So you do have a desk. We were alerted that the in-room dining has been brought back, sorry. I guess it had been discontinued through COVID. They did say the menu is a little bit more limited than normal. This desk has an obscene number of outlets, so no worries about outlets in this room. 2 very nice looking queen beds. They do have, again, some Mickey adornments here, some original Walt photos. I love the pillows and whatnot. This headboard comes alive, and I'll show you a video at nighttime because it plays a little song, and then it does do fireworks. So better views at nighttime though than right now. So that's a little special touch. You do have, in between the beds, you do have pull-out drawer for some storage, as well as clock and USB and phone. Over here you do have coffee machine, which is a Keurig. And you do have Joffrey's, which is obviously a must in Disney. You do have all these drawers, really deep drawers too, so great for storage. Mini fridge. This bed does pull out into a day bed, which is amazing. Some old vintage photos here of Disneyland. I love the art in this hotel. And then here's the other bed. And your pillows say, "A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep." So cute. And a chair. And then in our case, I know it might be a little bit difficult with the reflection. Let me see if I can get y'all a better view here. Okay, guess not a better view. Take my word for it. We have, oh, there we go, a little bit better. We do have a pool view, so there is the pool. I know this camera angle's not the best, but trust me, we have a pool view room. So there is our room. All right, so quick update on the day bed. So we did, out of curiosity, we did pull it down. So it does sleep one, it's a twin size. All you have to do is you tilt this down and it just kind of flips down. So in this room, you can comfortably sleep 5 people. The best perk of staying at the Disneyland Resort is that you are walking distance to the parks. Additional resort benefits include resort charging and daily early park entry. In addition to all the retro theming throughout the hotel, each tower is themed a little bit differently. For our stay, we stayed at the Adventure Tower, which we really enjoyed. You may not know, but the Disneyland Hotel is a really big meeting and event space. There's a convention center attached as well as meeting rooms in each of the towers. Now let's take a look at the porte-cochere and the check-in process. When you pull into the Disneyland Hotel, you'll indicate whether you're just dropping off your luggage and checking in or you need to park. There is also a valet parking option. As you enter the main lobby, you'll notice that in this case it was Christmas decorations, but a well-themed lobby area and space. The front desk is located to the left of the front doors, and the staff are ready and able to assist you. Through the Disneyland app and the website, you can do mobile check-in and you'll be updated by phone on the status of your room. Past the front desk, there are a number of gift shops and sundry stores to stock up on all your favorite Disneyland apparel. Here are some additional shots of the meeting and event space area. Keep in mind that the hotel availability may flux depending on what conventions may or may not be in town. The Disneyland Hotel has a number of dining options. Unfortunately, Steakhouse 55 recently closed up, but there are other places to choose from. Attached to the building is Goofy's Kitchen. Goofy's Kitchen is a character buffet dining experience. The coffee house, as per its name, is a coffee house that is open for breakfast and early into the evening. One of the most notable features of this hotel is the famous monorail slide and the pool area. Open daily and even into evening hours, this pool is heated. Located within the pool area is a quick service location called Tangaroa Terrace. Attached to the terrace is the world-famous Trader Sam's Grotto, which happens to be a bar, but they also do have light bites. Keep in mind, if you would like to visit Trader Sam's, I highly recommend making a dining reservation, as the wait times can get long. I also recommend making a reservation for Goofy's Kitchen. All advanced dining reservations at the Disneyland Resort can be made 60 days out on the day. And there was our stay at the Disneyland Hotel. All in all, it was a wonderful stay. There's something extra special about the Disneyland Hotel. It is very nostalgic. It is very classic. A lot of the decor is some original like Walt photos. So there's just something extra special about that hotel. Of course, with it being on site, you do have a couple perks that come along with your stay, which include walking distance to the parks. That's easily the best benefit. You also get 30 minutes park entry in both parks every day of your stay. You also get merchandise delivery if you decide to do that. And it's just a magical stay being on Disney property for sure. So hopefully this tour was helpful to you. If you're looking to book your next Disneyland trip, go ahead and reach out with the details listed in the description down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. And until next time, happy travels. Bye.